Winter usually means my indoor plants start looking pretty sad, so I went out and bought the top 5 grow lights to see which ones actually work. I've spent weeks testing these in my own living room to find the best options for your indoor jungle. I bought them so you don't have to waste your money. Product number 1, Barina T5 Grow Lights. When I pulled these Barina T5 strips out of the box, I noticed how incredibly light and slim they are. They don't feel bulky at all, which is great because I wanted to hide them under my bookshelf. I used the included double-sided tape and cable ties to set them up, and it only took me about 5 minutes. During my testing, I noticed my herb seedlings stopped stretching toward the window and started growing much thicker. The 5000K white light isn't that annoying purple color, it just looks like bright daylight. My favorite part is that you can link all 4 lights together with one power cord, but they each have their own on-off switch. If you're looking to start seeds or have a multi-tier plant shelf, these are the ones to get. They're super efficient and barely added anything to my power bill this month. Product number 2, Breignite LED Grow Light Bulb. I tried the Breignite LED bulbs and I love that they just look like a regular light bulb. When I held one, it felt just as sturdy as any high-end LED I'd buy for my kitchen. I just screwed it into a standard desk lamp I already had, which is super convenient. Even though the light looks like a natural 4000K white to my eyes, I noticed my peppers and tomatoes really responded to the hidden red and blue spectrum. It's bright enough to light up a whole corner but only pulls 11 watts, so it's very energy efficient. I didn't feel much heat coming off the bulb, which means I could place it closer to my plants without worrying about burning the leaves. If you don't want to buy special fixtures and just want to turn a regular lamp into a grow station, this 2-pack is the perfect choice. Product number 3, Plant Grow Light Halo Style. When I held these Halo Grow Lights, I noticed the telescoping poles feel like a sturdy camera tripod. I had 2 options for setup, sticking them directly into the soil or using the base, but I found the base works best when a heavy pot is sitting on it for stability. I used these for my smaller succulents and pothos. My favorite part was the 10 different brightness levels and the 3 lighting modes. I could switch to a warmer red heavy light for my flowering plants or a crisp white for the green ones. The built-in timer is a lifesaver. I set it for 12 hours once, and it's turned itself on and off at the same time every day since. If you have small potted plants on a desk or mantle, and want a light that actually looks like a stylish decoration, this 3-pack is a total winner. Product number 4, Gooing Top LED Grow Light. I noticed right away how strong the clamp is on this Gooing Top lamp. When I attached it to the edge of my coffee table, it didn't budge at all. The gooseneck is very flexible but also stable enough that it doesn't sag over time. I tested the 6000K full spectrum light, and it's remarkably soft on the eyes. I actually used it as a reading lamp for a few nights while it was hovering over my plants. It has a high color rendering index, so my plants' colors looked vibrant and natural, not washed out. The timer has a 4, 8, or 12-hour setting, which I found perfect for my low-light houseplants that just need a little boost. It's powered by USB, but it comes with an AC plug too. If you have a tabletop plant that needs some extra light without a permanent installation, this flexible lamp is fantastic. Product number 5, BC Grow Light Plant Light. Finally, I tested the BC 2-pack. When I pulled these out, I noticed the dual head design on each light, which let me cover 2 different plants with just one clamp. The goosenecks rotate a full 360 degrees and they stayed exactly where I bent them. I played around with the 10 dimming levels and 3 switch modes during my testing to see how my seedlings would react. I noticed that the light really helped push my plants through a dull, rainy week without them getting leggy. The automatic cycle memory timer worked perfectly. As long as I kept the power on, it remembered my settings every morning. These feel like a real workhorse for anyone with a growing indoor garden. If you have a lot of plants clustered together and need a versatile light that can reach multiple pots at once, this is a great budget-friendly option. Those are my top picks for keeping your plants happy year-round. Every setup is a bit different, so choose the one that fits your space best. Make sure to check the links in the description for current prices. Thanks for watching and happy planting.